Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Air Force Federal Credit Union step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your income and determine all sources of revenue. Collect your pay stubs, allowances, and any additional income. Next, list all your monthly expenses. Include fixed expenses such as rent, utilities, and loan payments. Once you have a comprehensive list, categorize these expenses into needs and wants. This will help you prioritize your spending. Now, it's time to set financial goals. Decide if you want to save for emergencies, pay off debt, or plan for a major purchase. Using the guidance of Air Force Federal Credit Union, open a budgeting tool or use their online resources. The credit union often provides forms or calculators that can simplify this process. Input your income and expenses into the budgeting tool. Make sure you visually see the balance between income and expenditures. Evaluate whether your expenses exceed your income. If they do, look for areas where you can cut back. Identify subscriptions or services you may not be using. Allocate a portion of your income to savings each month. This can help build an emergency fund. Make sure to track your spending regularly. Use mobile apps or paper tracking methods to stay accountable. At the end of the month, review your budget to see how well you adhered to your goals. Adjust your budget as needed to reflect any changes in your financial situation. Remember, budgeting is an ongoing process and requires regular adjustments. Utilize the resources provided by Air Force Federal Credit Union for financial education and support. Stay committed, and over time, you will see positive results in your financial health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.